The latest innovation in snack manufacturing is the compound potato chips production line, designed to take efficiency, flavor, and consistency to the next level. This high-tech system combines various processes: washing, slicing, frying, seasoning, and packaging into one streamlined operation. With automated controls and precision engineering, the production line ensures uniformity in every chip, delivering a perfect balance of crunch and flavor in every bite. The modular design also allows manufacturers to customize the process, from chip thickness to seasoning blends, catering to diverse consumer tastes. As demand for snacks continues to rise, this advanced production line is setting new standards for quality, scalability, and sustainability in the food industry, ready for a crispy future.